This is today's voice note which is being circulated by the media is absolutely absurd and absolutely illogical. What is being talked about? There has been never any kind of discussion of me and Honorable Chief Minister or anybody regarding this issue. And most importantly is that from the time I have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, the Congress has been targeting me. They always consider me to be a big threat to them. And most importantly, as far as the Congress Party is concerned, when the two MLAs resigned from the Congress Party and joined the BJP, that time also they were after me. And today, this voice note which they are circulating audio, this has been, I feel, this has been made up by the Congress Party, and let them come out with the source. And I have asked the Honorable Chief Minister in writing. I've sent a letter to Honorable Chief Minister to ask for a detailed inquiry through the police, and also the voice should be set for checking. This is absolutely nonsense, and there has never been a discussion on this subject. Congress is starting the year by creating a controversy around Manohar Parrikar, who they have been targeting from the time he has not been well. This is absolutely bad.
Good evening, sir.
Boss, good evening. I told call today. There was a 3-hour cabinet meeting.
Okay.
Just keep it confidential. Just so you all know.
Uh-huh.
There were so many fights, so many fights. Nilesh Kabral has gone and recruited maximum engineers from his constituency. So everybody, Jay Salgaonkar got the list and showed it to him. So everybody was fighting with him, and everybody was upset because no work is being done on the recruitment front.
Okay.
Babu Asgaonkar was fighting with Sudhin Dawekar because his works are not being done. Apart from that, Chief Minister makes one very interesting statement that I have all the information of Rafael in my bedroom.
What are you saying?
I'm telling you, no?
My God.
Which you should actually make a story on today, because you can cross check with somebody who you're close to from within the cabinet.
Okay.
Because this is how, this is something which he said. That means he's holding them to ransom.
I swear.
He said it's in my bedroom here only, in the flat. Each and every document of Rafael is with me. Now, whether he wanted somebody to go and inform them in Delhi or what it is, I didn't know. I didn't understand.
My God.
I called you to tell you this thing.
God. And 3 hours cabinet meeting, literally heading nowhere, or was there some kind of a thing?
Nothing. It was heading in directionless. Waste of time.
Sir, tell me something. Why is this man suddenly so interested in having an assembly session, that our speaker?
Because he feels that the RSS will back him to become chief minister.
He's on his own train.
He's on his own train. Somebody else is there. That side Sudhin is very clear that he will not support him. This side Vijay is very clear that he will not support him. But we need to have a meeting, because you need to communicate certain things to Delhi. What will be the outcome of this whole thing?
So you tell me, na, sir. Whenever you tell me, I'll be there.
I'll tell you. You just brief and keep, because it will go in that direction only. I'm very, very clear.
Okay.
What's going to happen?
So you let me know whenever you want me to come down.
I'll do that.
I'll make myself available.
I'll do that. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Bye.